Hello, puppies. Anyway, I thought I'd do a cold start video. I am sure you remembered my 2 lawnmower videos. If you haven't seen it, go search it up on my 2 lawnmowers. And second video down from the top. So, as you heard of my Sprint and my Lawn Boy. And so, I thought I'd do a little bit of a cold start on both of these. Let's start with the, well, maybe we'll do different. And let's do Sprint first, instead of 2-stroke. So, sit down my tripod on my Lawn Boy. There. Prime it. And let's see. Maybe needs a little more go-go juice. Runs good. It's not as cold-blooded as this thing. Why? This thing took quite a while to start a few days ago, but we'll see. So, turn on your fuel, turn on your ignition, get some primes. Is there even gas in there? Can't remember. Yeah, there's a bit of gas, enough to get it going. Should be. And let's set the camera down on our Briggs & Stratton tripod, the alarm engine. Here we go. you gotta love your lawnmowers, man. Briggs and Lawnboy. Really, I like them both. I don't have a favorite. This one starts easy, runs good, and it's a Briggs. This one is awesome because it's a Lawnboy. I love the lime green color. And you have to mix gas and oil, which I think is kind of cool. So anyway, 2 lawnmowers, 2 cold starts. Pretty cool.